Welcome to the secret world of mice. These tiny creatures often go unnoticed, but they are some of the most adaptable and resilient animals on the planet. Today we'll uncover the hidden lives of mice, from their incredible survival skills and intelligence to the vital roles they play in ecosystems. Get ready to learn surprising facts about these little rodents, and by the end, you'll see mice in a whole new light. Mice are small, but they are everywhere. There are over 1,000 species of mice living in nearly every corner of the world, from dense forests and open fields to the bustling streets of major cities. The most well-known species is the common house mouse, but there are many other types, each with unique traits and behaviors. Mice are incredibly adaptable, able to survive in all sorts of environments, even in places where food and shelter are hard to find. Their adaptability is a big part of why mice have been so successful across the globe. But there's much more to these tiny creatures than meets the eye. Let's dive deeper into the life of a mouse and see what makes them such extraordinary survivors. Mice may be small, but they are equipped with some amazing senses. Their sense of smell is particularly impressive. Mice use their noses to detect food, recognize other mice, and even sense danger. Their whiskers, called vibrissae, are also highly sensitive, helping them navigate through tight spaces and feel vibrations in the environment. A mouse's sense of touch through its whiskers is so advanced that it can feel its way around in complete darkness. This makes them experts at navigating in tight and cluttered spaces like burrows or even inside walls in human homes. Mice also have excellent hearing. They can detect high-pitched sounds that are far beyond the range of human hearing, which helps them avoid predators and communicate with other mice using ultrasonic sounds. But their sense of sight is less impressive. Mice are mostly nocturnal and have poor vision, relying more on their other senses to survive. Survival in the wild can be tough, especially when you're at the bottom of the food chain. Mice are prey for a wide variety of animals, including birds of prey, snakes, foxes, and even domesticated cats. But despite the constant threat of predators, mice have developed remarkable survival strategies. Mice are incredibly fast and agile, capable of running up to 8 miles per hour, which is impressive considering their size. They're also excellent jumpers and climbers, allowing them to escape danger in a flash. When threatened, mice will often freeze, listening intently to detect if a predator is nearby. If necessary, they'll make a break for it, using their knowledge of the environment to find safety. One of the most impressive traits of mice is their ability to squeeze through incredibly small spaces. They can fit through holes the size of a dime thanks to their flexible bodies and tiny skulls. This makes it easy for them to find shelter in the most unexpected places, from underground burrows to hidden nooks inside houses. One of the reasons mice are so successful is their ability to reproduce quickly. Female mice can start breeding as early as 6 weeks old, and they can have up to 10 litters of babies, known as pups, each year. Each litter typically contains 5 to 12 pups, meaning a single mouse can produce dozens of offspring in a short amount of time. Baby mice are born blind, hairless, and completely dependent on their mothers. But they grow fast. Within just a few weeks, they're ready to explore the world on their own. This rapid growth and high reproductive rate allow mouse populations to bounce back quickly, even in harsh conditions. While mice are sometimes viewed as pests, they play a critical role in ecosystems. Mice are important seed dispersers, helping to spread plants by carrying seeds in their fur or through their droppings. In fact, some plant species depend on mice to help them reproduce and grow. Mice are also a key food source for many predators. Their place in the food chain helps maintain balance in ecosystems by supporting the survival of animals like birds of prey, foxes, and snakes. Without mice, many predators would struggle to find enough food to survive. Additionally, mice contribute to the health of the soil. Their burrowing behavior aerates the soil, allowing air and water to reach plant roots, which helps maintain healthy ecosystems. So while they may sometimes cause problems for humans, mice play an essential role in nature. Mice are not only survivors in the wild, they've also adapted incredibly well to urban environments. Cities provide plenty of food and shelter, making them ideal places for mice to thrive. Unfortunately, this sometimes brings them into conflict with humans. House mice, in particular, are known for making their homes inside buildings, where they can cause damage by gnawing on wires, furniture, and even walls. Mice are opportunistic feeders, meaning they'll eat almost anything they can find, from crumbs and leftovers to grains and fruits. Their ability to find food in the most unexpected places is another reason they've been able to live so successfully alongside humans for thousands of years. Mice are also heroes in the world of science. For decades, they've been used in research to help scientists better understand human biology and disease. Because mice share about 95% of their genes with humans, they make excellent models for studying everything from genetics and cancer to the effects of new medications. Laboratory mice have contributed to countless breakthroughs in medicine, including the development of vaccines, cancer treatments, and treatments for genetic disorders. Without these tiny animals, modern medicine wouldn't be where it is today. Mice may be small, but they are mighty survivors. Whether they're foraging in the wild, living in bustling cities, or contributing to groundbreaking scientific discoveries, these tiny creatures are incredibly resourceful and adaptable. Next time you spot a mouse, remember, they're more than just pests. They're vital players in the ecosystem and unsung heroes of science. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the hidden world of mice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating animal content. See you next time!